Okay guys, all right, so I want to do a very simple left hand chord voicings for 736-251 in the key of C major today. Okay, so your 736 from your number system. So we have a C is your 1, D is your 2, E is your 3, F is 4, G is 5, A is 6, B is 7, C is 1 and 8. All right, so your 7 is B, 3, E, A 6, D 2, G 5, C 1, and then F is back to 4. So what are the chords you can use if you're singing song like I study at ye planted for the water, so my soul don't get after thee. You know, that's what they will tell you, that okay, those are the chords. But when the professional starts playing, then you start hearing things like I study planted for the water, so my soul don't get after thee. And then you are like, what are you playing? That wasn't what you showed me. All right, so I'm going to show you some of the chords I played now. So for the 7, your one chord, you do a C major 7, C, E, G, B, right? And that's fine. So what about for your that's for your 1, right? For your 7, we have a B, D, F sharp, and A for 7. Then for 3, we have a B, D, E, A flat, right? So for 6, we can do a C major 7 second inversion. That's a G, B, C, and E. So 6, and then do this guy C dominant 7 flat 5, which is a G flat, B flat, C, and E for your 2. Then your 5, B flat major 7 second inversion also, which is a F, A, B flat, and D. And then for your 1, just extend that B flat to B flat major 7 flat 5, which is F. Take the F to the E, then to your 4, F A C E. So I study planted for the water, so my soul don't get after thee. You alone, why? Heart, my heart, desire and I love to worship you. So don't forget to get my intermediate piano course. It's a video course over 2 hours that teaches about different types of major 7 chords, different types of 7th chords, rather, augmented 7, minor 7, diminished 7, blah blah blah, and teaches the application, teaches about circle of 5th and 4th, right, the circles, the chords, passing chords, tritone, right, teaches about all that. So it's a course over 2 hours. It comes with video, PDF, what's it called, MIDI files that you can practice with and co. So the link will be in the comment section, so don't forget to grab that, or you can check the community section of this channel also to get some discount courses, right? God bless you. Bye. God bless you. Bye.